This is a 2014 Chrysler Town Country. There are 6 cylinders, 3.6 liters. Vehicle history reports show no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the auto check report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. This Town & Country seats 7. You have the middle row bucket seats. And then these are equipped with stow and go, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. So you pull tab number 1, number 2 is down here, number 3, and then number 4. And both seats go down very flat. You can see how much space that would give you. Then to pull it up, grab number 4, unlock 2, pull number 4 again, and there you have it. Nice and slick. And then the power lift gate. I'll zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. As I said earlier, there's the bucket seats. Here's the middle row. And the back row. And then you have these little storage compartments here and here. Perfect for DVDs or sunglasses. There's your rear air control, and then entertain your rear passengers with a working DVD player. Now we'll go up front. Here is the passenger seat. And the driver's seat. There are no caution or warning lights on. Your steering wheel controls, power your phone, keep your hands free while driving, cruise control. You have power locks, power windows, and then here's your slider and liftgate controls for the front. This display screen is where your backup camera is, as well as your radio if you're not watching DVD. You have the tri-climate control. And you have 12-volt ports, and then in here you have some more storage space. Lots of cup holders available, plus there's 2 more right here. If you are looking for a van to be able to haul all your passengers and cargo with, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Town & Country out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!